Justin, maybe continuing to pull on this thread of the importance of the platform, where do you see the importance of internal developer platforms becoming more valuable for engineering teams as they're moving faster, as these grease skids are the track we're running on?
If you are a technology executive and you don't have the mindset that the platform is the product that you own, I think you might be missing the point.
Yeah.
Because before, it was your job to manage your environment, to manage the risk of your environment, to manage the compliance stance, regulatory stance of your environment, right? But the speed at which we're moving, the amount of innovation that's going to be happening, you as the technology executive, giving your business, your executive team, your organization a platform for them to run on that's safe and secure and meets your stance as a business is going to be the single most productive thing that you do to your organization.
The way I describe it is it's the operating system that runs your business. And a lot of non-technical businesses don't understand that this drives your revenue. Everything flows through this platform.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You should invest into it. It should be a product that you're aware of and you know about and you're strategically making decisions about.
I think I'm going to use a term that has a lot of baggage to it, but I think we're back in the golden age of shadow IT.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah,
for sure. You got product managers creating products all over the place.
Yeah. But it's not a bad thing. But it's not a bad thing anymore.
If it's not.
It depends on how you want to slice this.
Yeah.
If you've got the platform in place, then I can see where you're going. I've even thought there's probably room to build some sort of I don't have the right words yet, but some sort of an API layer or something, and then just let whoever build whatever on top of that API layer.
Yeah. I have this idea. It's one of
we
the
all
things,
have this idea.
So it's one of the things we're working on internally is so we have a company that we're having a lot of conversations with, and they're all in on AI.
Okay.
They are in. As a matter of fact, their CEO came down and said, I expect every single one of my leaders to build something that solves a problem in their area of their business in 2 weeks and then demo it to me. And then, so they did that. It was great. And then they went and hired 30 interns to just bang stuff out.
Really?
And so how do you build an ecosystem that my sort of agents can pull down what good looks like from an infrastructure standpoint, from a connectivity standpoint, from a security standpoint, just pull it down. And then it knows as these users are building in these requirements or building an application, it also has the specs in the context of what my deployment structure looks like. What do I need to do for this? What do I need to do for that? And so I, as the guy who runs AR AP, who has no context of technology for anything, I built this app, and then it also sucked in all of the really good requirements for a really good piece of software, and it can deploy it somewhere for me and run my little shadow IT thing. I think that's an interesting thought.
I think it's a little bit less shadow IT if it can get those well-architectured.
Agreed.
It doesn't quite meet my definition of shadow IT.
But it becomes the...
It is, though, like if you don't advertise it outside of your...
But I don't know what the term is now. Yeah. Shadow IT is the only thing I can think of because I live my whole life thinking of it and thinking how horrible
shadow
it
IT
was.
is evil.
Yeah, but it's not anymore.
What you're talking about is a cultural transformation that is an empowerment culture in a context that you as the technology leader have created so that you can trust it and allow that to happen.
And I think
that's what I'm hearing.
That is going to be the hallmark of CTO.
Yeah.
CTO mindset.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's a shift from command and control, which like even existing Agile things are feeling a little command and control in this space, to a living, breathing mechanism. Yeah. That's what it becomes, because everybody can go make their own choices and go make their own solutions to these problems.